using my Photo Finish Primer. It does have a silicone consistency. I usually just mainly put it in my T-zone area and press into my pores. Using the Anastasia Luminous foundation in 355N, it does have a pump, which is nice. So on the right side of my face, I will be using a brush, and on the left side of my face, I will be using a beauty blender. This is only using one pump of the foundation. It did apply pretty nicely using the kabuki brush. You can see a pretty big difference. It does feel really light. The consistency is a buildable foundation. At this point, I feel as though whether you apply it with a brush or a sponge, either way it applies flawlessly. All in all, the foundation is very light itself. It makes it feel like you have nothing on your skin, which is very, very nice, especially for the summer and for people that just don't like having that feeling. With these two beautiful colors from the Mintue palette from Juvia's Place, just blending that first orange color, and then I'm just gonna apply the light shimmery color on top just for a quick eyeshadow look. This is my first time using the palette, so I was really surprised on how pigmented the eyeshadows were. For my next video, I will be using the Mintue palette just to create a really, really extravagant look. So stay tuned for that. Using the Kat Von D eyeliner, I'm just going in and really doing a thin, tight line. Then going in with my CoverGirl mascara, which was also one of my favorites. This does not flake. It's waterproof. It adds onto your lashes so perfectly and beautifully. This is one of my favorite tools when I do a natural look. The eye curler is just eye-opening. It does give you that more awake look because it curls your lashes up, giving your eye a more awake look. Here I'm going to go in with the Morphe blush palette using Queen. When I do my natural looks, I typically don't bronze or contour. I just kind of use my blush palette to warm everything up. I also did use my highlighter from Juvia's Place and went in with that just to give me more of a glow. When I apply my highlighter, I like to put it on the high points of my cheek, under my brow, and then a little bit on top of my brow. Then quickly going in with some lip gloss just to give me more of a healthy glow for the natural look. So this is the final natural look I was going for. I wanted to come back after a couple hours and show you how long the foundation lasted, if I had to blot or anything. So here's an up close and personal look of the foundation. I did wear it from 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 8 o'clock at night. And this is without blotting or anything. I didn't even set the foundation. On the packaging, it does say there is no flashback, so I did want to test that out, and overall, it does look really good on camera. So overall, this product is a good product. I would recommend this product. So thank you for watching.